All right, so these are the items we got from Dollar Tree. Like I said, if you didn't see yesterday's Vlogmas video, definitely check it out. You can get whatever you want, make it how you want, but I just picked up these because it was super quick, cheap, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so Jay's putting them, but he's like, the third one's not gonna fit you guys. But you gotta just play around, kind of. I don't know, just stick him somewhere. Yeah, we can make it fit. It looks tiny from here. But yeah, you're gonna have to wait on this one because I'm trying to put this video up so you guys can see it, and I'm always late. And it takes 24 hours for it to dry. But we got our handy dandy glue gun. We're gonna glue it together and we'll see what happens. You just have to play around with them a little bit to see how they'll fit just because the base is on them. So, you know, three may not fit, but this did. You just have to, you know, change up how you set them. So this is pretty much how it will look. We just kind of put it together to see what it looks like. And then you can just add whatever else you want. Like we were just adding random berries that was on another decoration that we had, just to make it, you know, fun and festive. All right, so we're gonna let this dry for 24 hours. I don't even think it needs 24 hours, but because we're gonna put water, I suppose. So I'll show you that. So look out for the short. I'll post a short with the finished product. Now I'm gonna find some food to eat, you guys, because I'm starving. I don't know why I do this to myself. Hope you guys are having a jolly holly Christmas, having an awesome time. Thank you for being here. I cannot believe I'm at day 15 of Vlogmas. So, you know, you're getting a little bit of Christmas stuff. You're getting a little bit of how to leave, how to save, how to travel. You're getting a little bit of everything, okay? All right, so that's the snow thing we're going to put in there tomorrow. So we'll see. So my mom totally left before I could tell her that I wanted where the glycerin is. She says she has glycerin, and that's a good thing to put in to kind of, you know, let the thing do what it's supposed to do. So for now, we're just gonna use water because I know we're gonna probably just redo it. So Jarrell just fill this up with water. Probably need some more water than this, but sure it needs more water. But that's okay. So we're gonna sprinkle some fake snow. Put some fake snow, Jarrell. And then we're gonna just put that in and let you see how it is. We're not gonna seal it or anything yet until I figure out if we need to put glycerin in there. Put some in there and then make it perfect. So I'm thinking, you guys, it probably does want like the glycerin so it keeps it from clumping together like this. But like I said, I'll figure it out later. I'm just showing you what it looks like, and I'll let you know if the glycerin, you know, does anything. But shaking it up, it's, you know, looking snow globy. Alright, you guys, it needs something because the glitter, or we just put too much glitter because the glitter is glittering. You can hardly see inside here. So yeah, it definitely needs the glycerin to kind of help it. And it needs more water. But yeah, that's cool. I like it. I like it. So we added some more water. Boom. Ah, I love it. I love it. It's so cute. The snow is sticking to the village people. But it's so cute. So maybe the oil would help, you know, kind of whatever, you guys. Do what you want to do. It's your snow globe. The point is you can make a snow globe. This was $3. No, 125 times 3. I forgot it's not $1 at Dollar Tree anymore, you guys. It's $1.25 tree. So yeah, you can make this super inexpensive. Put whatever you want in there. All right. Oh, I finally got this one. You guys, I don't know what it is. It just looks pretty because it's in a red a red wrapper, but I've been waiting, wondering. Let me see. Let me bite it and let you know what it is. Can you hear me rustling over here like a little rat? Oh, I'm so disappointed. There's nothing in there. I thought it was gonna be something, but it is so good. It was really good. Let me see what it is. I was just expecting. I don't know why I was expecting like a crunchy, peanutty, almondy or something in there. I don't know. It's just milk chocolate with hazelnut praline. So it's really good, but I was expecting a crunch. Like I was expecting something like what's on the top. But yeah, this one's good. So Jarrell has his, and I think he said he's doing whatchamacallit, repeating. That looks like a dark chocolate. That one is the hot cocoa flavored truffle. And then he did his puzzle. I'll show you that. Alright, so now we have day 4 of the Irish cream. Let's see which one this is. This is, ooh, raspberry cheesecake. Ooh, this sounds like it's gonna taste good. Let me get my little sippy sip. You guys, I'm not trying to take too much because I've been drinking a bottle of this and a bottle of wine. And then I think it was, last night, and 2 times now the wine keeps piling up. So I'm like, I open the wine, I have to drink it. Oh no! You know what we're doing, Jarrell? This is 2 days in a row. We didn't do yesterday. You guys, so this is yesterday's. See, I'm here talking about 2 days in a row. This is today? No! We missed yesterday. No, you did yesterday. You did the calendar.
This is today's, we didn't do yesterday.
So where's yesterday? I did 4. I did 3 and 4. We're all confused, you guys. No, Jarrell did his puzzle yesterday. I didn't do anything. Chocolate. You did your chocolate yesterday?
No, I did the chocolate today.
Okay. And what did you do today? 16?
16.
So did you do 15?
No.
Oh, so yeah. He did his puzzle yesterday because he's enjoying the puzzles. So let me taste this first. So this is yesterday's raspberry cheesecake. Oh, that's very raspberry. I'm not a big raspberry fan. Oh, you can smell the raspberry. It tastes good if you love raspberry. I don't love raspberry, so I'm not the biggest fan of this one. Just because I don't like it. So not because it doesn't taste good. Just because I'm not a fan. Yeah. It's okay. So that was yesterday. So let me just open today's. Let me see, number 6. Okay, because I have a couple, like I said, that's missing, so I'm not there yet. So you guys, see, I'm gonna have like 3.
What day did you start?
I started the 12. Wait, so we had 12, 13, 14, 15, and then today the 16. Day 6. Yeah, George's like, you're all over the place, woman. All right, so this is today's. Oh my lord. Hazelnut. This, you guys, this is gonna be bomb. All right, let me try it. Okay, see, I'm just trying a little bit of each, you guys, because you cannot go. I can never go wrong with hazelnut anything. I don't like hazelnut to like eat it like that. Like a nut, I can't just sit and eat it like I'd eat pistachio or peanuts or almonds, cashews, hazelnut, walnuts. I do not eat them. If hazelnut is in the hazelnut ice cream, I pick out the hazelnut pieces, but I'll eat the flavor. Like the flavor of hazelnut is bomb. The nut itself is not for me. All right, that's good. All right, so you see, I'm gonna drink 2 glasses of wine too. This is crazy. Ooh, okay, so he has this one, the chocolate mousse. How have you been liking these, Jarrell? I'm like, can I?
Good.
It's good. Yeah, you're having fun with the puzzles, right? So he's been doing his puzzles every day. I'm the lazy one, not even. Like I said, I'm trying to catch up on my drinking. So I have these two. I mean, these are small, so it's nothing crazy, but they're sweet. So these are small. It's nothing to drink. The wine is, a little bit bigger. So yeah, I have the one from yesterday. I didn't drink yesterday's or the day before. Yeah, I didn't drink the day before. I just tasted it. So I'm gonna drink that because it's cool. It's cold. And then these gonna go in the fridge. I'll probably drink them later or one. Try to get you guys. All right. So the let's see, the cheese. Oh, 15. Oh yeah. So 2 cheese also. All right. So let's see. Oh, okay. This is a new one. This looks, if I can get it out, looks fancy. Mini snack. Okay. Grana Padano Dop. Jarrell says I should stop talking because I'm not. Is this okay? You can read it. Let me taste this one. This is a new one. I'm excited. You guys, I'm eating this and Jarrell like, I don't like that face. I don't know. It's not bad, but I've never had anything like this. It is super hard. And it's kind of flaky. No, it's not flaky. It's not. I don't know. I've never had this before. I don't know if it's good or it's just interesting because I've never had it. Look, I'm like trying to show you the ingredients. I don't know. I think I like it. You know when you like some weird stuff? It's weird, but you just like it. You don't know why. That's me and this right now. It is super weird. New for me. I've never had anything like this, but I'm going to eat it. So taste it, Jura. He's just stuck it in his mouth.
Parmesan.
Taste that Parmesan. I probably was trying to go for that. I don't know. It's. I guess I can see it now. It's not as sharp though, like Parmesan, but I can get. Yeah. The texture, that is exactly how a block of Parmesan tastes. That is exactly how hard Parmesan unshredded feels in your mouth. That is so true. Okay, so day 16. So we're here now. Let's see what this one is. Some of these are so crazy. Okay, extra mature cheddar. Okay, so this is a repeat. I've got this one before. Extra mature, I know what this tastes like. It's really good. I love cheddar, so this is a no-brainer for me. All right, so this is the 15. I didn't even realize. So this is yesterday's. So I did open today's chocolate. Okay, this is a repeat again, I believe. This looks like one of the dark or the coffee flavored ones. Let me see. It's just a dark. I don't taste this coffee to me. It just seems like a dark. Where are you? Yeah, dark chocolate with rich dark chocolate ganache. So yeah, just a dark, but it's good. I like this. All right, so you guys, Jarrell just came out of the fridge. He's like, yeah, you got a bottle of wine, the South African wine you have in there. I'm like, I drank 2 bottles of wine last night. It's not as bad as it sounds. You see the sizes. I didn't drink 2 whole bottles. It's like 2 glass. So now I have 3 bottles of wine and 3 bottles of Baileys. I'll drink the wine first because wine, those don't stay. The Baileys are fine. I can. Oh Lord. All right, let me open this one because a hot mess, you guys. All right, this one Ooh, crush. Okay. Italian Del Bruzzo DOP. Let's try this. I can't even tell if it's a red or a wine. White. Red or wine. Red or white. I'm not even drinking yet. Oh, it's a red. Alright, I'm not pouring too much. Oh, Lord. It's a good... Let me do what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Let me be cultured. And I'm sniffing. Ugh. I don't know about this one, you guys. Ooh, wait. That when it hit the back of my throat, that's a different taste than when it's on my tongue. Okay. All right. I don't know if I'm in love with it, but it's definitely not as bad as I was in about. It's not that bad. All right. Let me see. Number 16. Let me see. This is for today. All right. So this is a white blend Portugal. All right, I drank a lot of wine in Portugal, so this is what it tastes. I mean, this box is from Europe, so. But yeah, I drank a lot of wine, but it was mostly reds, and it was really good. But let me try this one. I have to put you down and come back. Swishing, swirling, swirling, swirling. Ooh, okay. I actually like this one. It's not bad. This one is not bad. All right. Oh, Lord. Let me get out the wine. I think that's it. I think I'm done. I did the 2 chocolates. I did that. Yeah. You guys, this is my life on the ground right now. All right. I think that is it. I will let you know if the glycerin makes a difference in that snow globe eventually. I don't know when I'll let you know. But that's it for today. Let me show you what George did this morning. Oh my, if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to, because George has been up to crazy stuff. He made gingerbread. He was attacked by the milk because he said the milk went bad. You guys, too much.
Gingerbread.
He's making s'mores, you guys, with my Ferrero Rocher. This dude.